Tired of fumbling for your wallet every time you need to use public transport in Japan? This video will show you how to ditch the plastic and add a Suica card to your Samsung phone in under 90 seconds. First, make sure you have the Suica app installed. Open the Google Play Store and search for Mobile Suica. If you haven't already, download and install the app. If you already have the app installed, make sure it is up to date. Now, open the Mobile Suica app. You'll likely see a button that says Add Suica, Issue a new Suica, or something similar. Tap this button to begin. You'll be given a choice, either create a new Suica or transfer an existing physical Suica card. If you have a physical Suica card you want to digitize, choose the transfer option. If not, choose to create a new one. If you're transferring a physical card, follow the on-screen prompts. This will usually involve holding your Suica card against the back of your Samsung phone, near the NFC reader. Make sure the card remains still during the transfer process. Now, open the Google Wallet app on your Samsung phone. You should see your newly added Suica card in your Google Wallet. If you don't see it, tap the Add to Wallet button and select Transit Pass. Follow the prompts to add your new Suica to Google Wallet. Tap on the Suica card in your Google Wallet to see its details, including your balance. You can also add money to your Suica card directly from within the Google Wallet app. Now you're ready to tap and go.